Alright, so sama ko kayo sa Manila Hotel. We stayed here from July 3 to 5. Ayan, so room tour muna. Quick room tour. We got a deluxe room. Ayan, so pagpasok nyo, actually yung vibes dito parang parang kwarto ng lolo't lola ko, no? Ayan, so may libreng fruit platter. As in, ganito kasi fun fact, no? My grandfather sa mother's side was the former EDP manager sa Manila Hotel. So, I don't know, baka kinopya nila yung kwarto, pero almost everything feels like home. Ayan, so ito CR. So, yung mga toiletries nila, may bathtub, and one of the best uh, inclusions is yung bidet. Of course, alam niyo na yan. Okay, so itong mga bathrobes and yung mga cabinets na included. So, automatic nagla-light up siya pag binubuksan. We have laundry bags. Ganda ng laundry bag nila, Fran. And now we go to the ref. So, chinek ko yung ref. Actually, nagkaroon ako ng problem. Hindi gumagana yung ref, pero sobrang attentive and responsive nila. Chinek lang, then pinalitan na rin agad. Within less than 30 minutes, I think. Yan, tapos nandito yung mga cups. May coffee din and tea. So, ayan. May mga artwork din. And water heater. Ay, okay. So, ang cool lang na parang na-trap ka sa 1900s, no? Pero other amenities are very modern naman. Yung vibe lang talaga ng room. But since, this is one of the oldest hotels in the Philippines. Kaya aside sa fruit platter, nagpadala din sila ng chocolates. Tapos ito, room service, sarap yung food. Especially itong pizza, grabe. And of course, breakfast buffet was included sa cafe Ilang-Ilang. Maraming selection, very varied yung selection. Kaya masarap. Kaso walang Japanese sa umaga. But if you wanna try everything, I think best pa rin mag-lunch or dinner. Ayan, yung view nung gabi. And of course, may live entertainment. I think from 12 noon until 9 p.m. yata meron. Ang i-advise ko lang is make sure na makapag-check out kayo ng maaga kasi very hectic. But overall, fun experience.